Hazrat, this is a brother from Germany, he didn't mention his name. He says in his question, how truthful was the Mahdi of Sudan and the Mahdi of Libya? And could you explain your reasons, please?
Libya?
He mentions the Mahdi who appeared in Libya.
Somebody who claimed to be a Mahdi in Libya or in Sudan, I think.
Is not heard of now. Wiped out. As far as the Mahdi of Sudan is concerned, the question is, whether he believed it or not. Was he the same Mahdi as about whom it was foretold by Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he'll be our Mahdi? Could the Mahdi of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam be completely defeated by General Gordon? Is just one general of the British Army. He completely wiped out that Mahdi and his supporters. Is it possible? No sane man can believe this. The Mahdi had to perform so many great works. He had to serve the cause of Ummah in so many areas of Ummah's life that they're innumerable. So where has that Mahdi gone? All those who had claimed to be Mahdi, they were not dishonest in the sense that they actually believed that they were Mahdis. In the case of Sudani Mahdi, he believed so because his father's name was Abdullah, his mother's name was Amna, and his name was Muhammad. So he considered this to be enough evidence in his support, and claimed. And what happened to him? Similarly, there was a Mahdi in India, in Hyderabadi, Deccan, a claimant to Mahdihood. I have read about his life. He is a very pious man. There is no question of that. Very God-fearing. And he genuinely believed that he was the Mahdi. Still his supporters are found in some parts of Pakistan and India as well. But he has made no victory in favor of Islam, for the sake of Islam, over others. He has not conquered the world of Christianity. He has not performed any of the works which Rasulullah sallallahu attributed to the Mahdi. And the sun and the moon did not eclipse for him the way they got eclipsed for Hazrat Masih Maud ﷺ or Hazrat Imam Mahdi ﷺ. So there may be many Mahdis. I don't say they are all dishonest and cheats, but they were not the Mahdi which Ahmad ﷺ predicted about.